His name is B-Man. He's very strong and slim. His muscles are very big and he's very tall.
He likes football and swimming and he prefers skating. He likes strawberries and pizza. He doesn't like letters I and B and also doesn't like humans.
His body is made of 3B. His skin and shy. He can kill people. He likes looking after people because he has a very big egg. And he can swim or play football or study English.
He lives in Jupiter and has got 50,026 years old. He's from a country of Jupiter.